Today we will be repairing a microwave oven that is not heating. So, let's get started. The microwave oven is from the brand Midea. This problem is common to all microwave ovens, so the repair process is the same for them. To check the microwave oven, you need to take a glass of water and place it in the oven for 1 minute. This oven has a grill, and as a result, the lower tray is made of metal. We place a glass of water here and check how it works. For example, 1 minute and we wait. One minute has passed and we can check the water. The water feels cold, which means the microwave oven is not working. It is necessary to figure out what the problem is. First, we need to disconnect the power and remove the cover from the microwave. We unscrew the rear bolts. There are 4 of them here. Now it is necessary to unscrew 1 screw from the side. After that, the cover can be removed. After removing the cover, it is necessary to check the main fuse for burning out. For this, we will need a tester. We set it up for resistance testing by bringing 1 probe to 1 terminal and the second probe to the other. There is no reaction, therefore it is necessary to check the fuse for its integrity. We disconnect the fuse from the wires on both sides, and after that, it can be removed. It is located on such a clip, easily unclips from the casing. And here is the fuse itself. Now it is necessary to disassemble it and see what is inside. We release the clips of the fuse holder and see that inside there is a bulb with a wire inside it, and it has blown. Now we need to find out the rating of this fuse and buy a new one. It is not recommended to use a manual replacement. We remove the fuse from the holder. And here it says 5KY 0.8A. Now you need to buy a new fuse, or if you know how, you can repair this one. For this fuse, a wire with a diameter of 0.015 meter is required according to the table found on the internet. To measure this diameter, you need to take a caliper, a piece of copper wire of the appropriate diameter, and a ruler, or a regular metal spatula. So, let's get started. We take a multi-stranded wire and strip 1 strand about 20 centimeters long, which will be quite enough for us. Take a small nail and wind about 10-20 turns tightly one against the other. After that, we take the caliper and measure the distance from edge to edge of the turns. We divide by the number of turns and determine the diameter of the wire. Here I have approximately 1 millimeter, which means the wire is exactly 0.05 meter. After that, we take a drill bit with a diameter of 1 millimeter and drill 2 holes in the fuse, 1 on each side. The 2 holes are ready. We take the fuse and degrease the ends with orthophosphoric acid. We carefully thread the thin copper wire into the small fuse. Then, we meticulously bend the edges of the wire and proceed to start the process of soldering the connections securely. To ensure all the holes are properly sealed, we take a larger piece of wire and carefully use it to cover each hole. After making sure that all the holes are sealed, we then proceed to cut off any excess wire that is left over. And now the homemade fuse is ready. We carefully connect the wire leads to it, ensuring a secure connection, and then we place the entire fuse assembly into the protective casing, making sure it is properly positioned and secured. We snap it shut and we can connect it in the circuit. Don't forget to secure it in its place. That's it. Now we can test it. We place a glass of water in the microwave and turn it on for 30 seconds. Now we take out the glass of water and see that it is hot and steam is rising. So the microwave is working. After that, since we have disassembled the microwave, it can be cleaned. For this, we use a compressor or a regular household vacuum cleaner. And we screw the protective cover back in place. The repair of the microwave is finished, and I was lucky. I only had to replace the fuse. The cause of the microwave burning out was most likely running the microwave without food, or using shiny cookware, spoons or forks.